Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the chart and opening the axis pane. Do that now. Once done, right-click the horizontal axis and pick Format Axis so you can see scale controls. Make sure Excel recognizes the axis type as date, text, or numeric. This matters because date axes use serial numbers while numeric axes use values. If the axis is treated as text, change the source or the axis type. This first step unlocks the controls you need to change min, max, or unit values. Now set the actual bounds. In the scale section, type your minimum and maximum values directly. This forces the axis range. For dates, you can enter Excel date serials or type a recognizable date. Excel converts it. Then adjust major and minor units to change tick spacing and label frequency. Once done, observe labels and grid lines. Change units if labels overlap. If you need precise increments, use exact numbers like 0, 5, 1, or 1/7 to control spacing. Finish by pressing Enter to apply your min, max, and unit choices, and then close the Format Axis pane. Make sure data series cover the new range. If points disappear, extend or filter your source. If labels collide, rotate or stagger them, or increase the major unit, that keeps the axis readable. If Excel resets your changes, check for dynamic named ranges, pivot chart behavior, or VBA that reapplies settings. Fix the source link so your axis range stays as configured.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.